So today we're gonna be heading to the store that opened up called Miniso. I'm super excited.
I'm
like
so excited. Stuff. I remember yesterday our mom said that it has like miniature things, and I'm like, oh, I can use them for my Barbie doll. So I am so excited for this shopping. It's just going to be so cool.
I'm really excited because I love small things.
Hey guys, we're here at Miniso store and we're ready to go shopping. All right, let's go in.
When you guys just the bottom. To this day, they're still dropping them.
Hi, welcome. Hello.
Oh, it's Sanrio themed items over here. Whoa. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Those cute fans. Oh my gosh, and they have like mini tiny keychain bags. Stop. What are these? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. They're so. I'm gonna grab some. Is that food? It's so excited. Yeah.
Roomy.
Hi.
This is a car air freshener. It's cute.
Ooh. I saw this other stuff. I saw like these cute lip glosses and so cool. Neck pillows. Ooh, I like this one.
God, look at this Stitch one.
Whoa.
Oh my god, stop. They have stuff for your pets.
What?
We want a Stitch hat.
Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Wait, the little hats, they remind me of when it was like a last
my God,
Christmas
stop.
or something.
Look, here's
We
a
got
tie.
really this cute like onesie
For your
thing.
cat.
Oh my.
Or a door.
My Melody. Wait, what is this? Like little containers for lotion, or like what is
Yeah,
all
you
this?
could put different products in it.
Oh, I really like the
Different
Pachaco
bottles.
one.
Like, see this one?
Oh, you just like spray stuff like perfume. I need that. I could put like my perfume in there, you know, if that's possible. You can put my perfume in there.
No, this type isn't a sprayer. It's
Where's the sprayer ones
a,
then?
find one that's a sprayer.
I'm getting both of these. I think I
Oh,
found
no,
one.
no.
This place is so cool.
$5.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.